How y'all doing? Doing good. Tipping for two? Yeah, right this way. Either right here or right here.
There go your film right there.
Yeah. Oh. It's artificial grass. It's artificial grass. Yeah.
Oh, you want inside? You like any straws or you got any?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Here you go. No, what kind of drinks? Thanks for the water, but can you bring?
When they give the bill to the manager, the manager send people to charge.
A half a dozen, like 6 of them.
Yeah.
For 12, they got garlic.
Ooh, there's a drink and my man. So sexy. Yeah. That drink. Oh, this place is really cool. We got it upstairs. Look, that's the bar over there. Dot. We sitting on the dot.
What? After the last.
Got crab meat, shrimp. Let's see how it tastes. My husband just told me I had to have the chicken bill here. Would that be considered me taking him out and he taking me out?
There you go, right there.
Thank you.
So you guys think about some dessert or anything?
Oh no, man, I'm full. I'm headed back to Houston.
Cool.
Give me the ticket. For real, you told the chef?
I did.
You told? Yeah, see? See, I don't know if you understand. This is me right here, see? When you Google me, I'm Googleable. Chef James Rucker. I pull up. That's me. That's me. One of the Christmas movies. I'm all day in the city of Houston. Okay. Yeah, that's me. All that's me. Yeah, that's me, man. Yeah. That's cool. Hey, man, I tell you. Right now, they gonna need. Yeah. My mama, you know. Oh, man.